Hi there. Welcome back to the GridMate learning channel. We're continuing our Gantt chart demo, and in this part, we'll cover the task scheduling mode. Let's start with some simple examples to see how this works in practice. Before the demo, a quick word on how MS Project schedules tasks. This is the behavior GridMate is modeling. Move a task manually, and MS Project creates a constraint. And constraints outrank dependencies. By default, the constraint date always wins. The constraint you get depends on which dates you edit. There are 3 rules worth remembering. Let's click on a task first, and go to the Rules tab. When you drag the task, a start no earlier than constraint is created. So if you remove the constraint, the task snaps back to its original position, driven by its dependencies again. Second, change the finish date, and a finish no earlier than constraint is created instead. Third, change the start date, and the start no earlier than constraint is created or updated. Let's try dragging all the tasks at once. Now let's drag all the tasks at once. As you can see, the tasks move together, but any constraint that's in place will still be respected. And notice the message that appears, telling you to force the move. You'll need to force the move by holding the Command key. And once you force it, the dependency snaps. That link is gone, so the task no longer follows its predecessor. Now let's move on to auto mode. Here, moving a task doesn't create a constraint. It updates the dependency instead, by adding lag or lead. Which tells you something useful. If you want your dependencies to stay in control of the schedule, keep your tasks on auto. Then, when you move a task, everything downstream moves with it. And if a task won't budge, that means it has a constraint. You can force the move by holding the Command key. Move on to the manual. With this mode, you're free to move tasks however you want. And the moment you switch back to MS Project mode, everything returns to its correct, constraint-driven schedule. That's it for this part. Thanks for watching.